Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will make one of the most exciting cocktails for you. The classic Blueberry Mojito. So experience the beautiful concoction of white rum, fresh mint and blueberry. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let's start with a Collin glass. Take 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. Four to 5 lemon slice. Add 4 bar spoons of blueberry crush. You will be surprised to know that blueberries reduce the risk of cancer and heart attack. It also improves immunity power and helps to regulate blood sugar level. So enjoy this recipe. Now I will pour 45 milliliters of white rum. It is interesting to know that white or light rums are produced by blending both pot still and patent still rums. White rums are generally popular among young people, and they are mostly consumed with chasers or as cocktails. And 30 milliliters of sugar syrup. You can easily make sugar syrup at home by adding equal parts of sugar and water. I will suggest you to muddle gently for 8 to 10 times. If you excessively muddle, the bitter oil will come out from the skin of the lemon, and make the drink taste bitter. So be careful. I will fill the glass with cracked ice. Hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now I will top up the cocktail with chilled soda water. Lovely. Stir carefully to mix all the ingredients. Now garnish the mojito with a lemon slice and fresh mint sprig. If you have fresh blueberries, use that. Blueberry Mojito is ready. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Blueberry Mojito is ready for you. If you like this recipe, please share it with your family and friends. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this.